Capsule CRM is an innovative customer relationship management tool that has been designed with small teams and businesses in mind. In this video, I'll take you through the entire user experience, from signing up to managing your contacts and projects effectively. Capsule CRM offers an intuitive interface that doesn't overwhelm new users while providing robust features to meet the needs of experienced teams. We'll start by navigating the clean and modern dashboard, which makes finding your way around simple and efficient. Capsule CRM focuses on simplicity without sacrificing functionality. It allows users to manage contacts, sales pipelines, and customer interactions in one centralized location. I'll show you how to add a new contact, categorize it using tags and custom fields, and link it to ongoing opportunities or cases. This categorization is particularly helpful for tracking progress and maintaining a personalized approach to customer management. Next, we'll dive into the sales pipeline feature, where you can visualize your deals in progress. Capsule CRM allows you to customize stages in the pipeline, making it a flexible tool for businesses with unique workflows. I'll demonstrate how to move deals through each stage and assign tasks to team members for seamless collaboration. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources, so be sure to explore those after watching the video. Point one standout feature of Capsule CRM is its integration capabilities. It connects with popular tools like Google Workspace, MailChimp, and QuickBooks, allowing you to enhance its functionality without switching between platforms. I'll show you a few examples of how these integrations can streamline your workflow. Another strong point is the reporting and analytics feature. Capsule CRM provides actionable insights into your team's performance and sales trends, helping you make data-driven decisions. We'll walk through the available reports and discuss how to customize them for your specific needs. Capsule CRM also offers excellent mobile support with its dedicated app, making it easy to manage your business on the go. I'll give you a quick look at the app's interface and functionality, ensuring you can stay connected wherever you are. In terms of pricing, Capsule CRM provides flexible plans to suit various budgets, including a free plan for individuals or very small teams. I'll break down the pricing tiers and highlight what each includes, so you can determine the best option for your business. Finally, I'll share my overall impressions of Capsule CRM, discussing its strengths and areas for improvement. If you're searching for a user-friendly, feature-rich CRM tailored for small teams and businesses, Capsule CRM could be the perfect solution. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and tech tutorials. See you in the next video.